Welcome back to Grow My Savings. When you hear the words financial freedom, what comes to mind? For some, it means retiring early. For others, it's being debt-free or simply not stressing about bills every month. But no matter how you define it, financial freedom means having choices. It's when your money works for you instead of the other way around. And in this video, we'll break down exactly what financial freedom is, how to get there step by step, and why it's possible even if you're just starting today. Financial freedom isn't about being a millionaire, it's about having control. It means you don't rely on every paycheck to survive. You have savings for emergencies. You can make decisions based on what you want, not just what you can afford. In short, financial freedom gives you peace of mind. You're no longer working just to pay bills. You're working because you choose to. That's the real goal. To reach financial freedom, focus on these three core pillars. Control your spending. You can't save or invest what you constantly spend. Know where your money goes and direct it intentionally. Every dollar should have a purpose. Build savings and invest. Start with an emergency fund, at least 3 months of expenses, and then move to investing. Investing is how you make your money grow while you sleep. Eliminate bad debt. Credit cards, high-interest loans, they drain your freedom. Focus on paying them off systematically. These 3 steps form the foundation. Once they're in place, your financial growth accelerates. Here's how to start, even from zero. Step 1, track your income and expenses for 1 month. Know exactly where your money goes. Step 2, automate your savings. Pay yourself first before paying bills. Step 3, start investing early, even small amounts, $10, $20, whatever you can. Step 4, avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, let your savings and investments grow faster. It's not about how much you make, it's about how consistently you manage it. The earlier you start, the easier freedom becomes. Remember, financial freedom isn't a finish line. It's a journey of small, smart steps repeated over time. The biggest step to financial freedom isn't financial, it's mental. You need to shift from, I can't afford that, to how can I make this work? From, I'm bad with money, to, I'm learning to manage money. When you believe you're capable, every decision you make becomes a step toward independence. Financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about discipline, patience, and belief in your future self. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If this video helped you understand what financial freedom really means, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's working toward the same goal.